Yeah, go, go.
Kids.
Mom, you made me lose.
I know. But I had an idea.
What?
Do you guys want to sell lemonade and make a lemonade stand?
Oh my god, yeah, that seems so fun. Yeah.
Okay, we'll do it by our front porch. Let's go. Okay, we don't have much room here though. I know, I'll put the table somewhere. Okay. Okay, I brought my building set. Let's get to work.
It looks good so far.
I know, but it's not done yet. Finally done.
Oh my god, it looks so good. Thanks, Mom. Yeah, thanks. Joan's mom. Yay. It's pouring now. I think we're a bit too short for this.
I can't fit a stool in there. So, yeah, I'll go make the lemonade and I'll be back. You guys can go back to playing your game for a little bit.
Okay. I'm so excited for the lemonade stand. Yeah, same. Go. Yeah, go.
Right now, I'm going to make. Okay, we're gonna make some homemade lemonade, and we'll just cut these lemons up. This thing, I forgot what it's called. I'm gonna go give this to the kids. Oh, it's ready.
Okay.
You guys can sit there, and this can hold this.
Mommy, look what I found.
Why do you have a menu?
I don't know. Make us look fancy. Yeah.
Okay, I'll just put the poster up here, I guess. Okay, I'll check back on you guys in 30 minutes. I'm gonna go do some work.
I'm so excited.
Oh, hi kids. Are you selling lemonade?
Yep, fresh strawberry lemonade. It's 50 cents for half a cup, and the full cup is $1.
Oh, okay, I'll take, 1 full cup, please.
Okay, here is 1 cup. And I'll just pour it. There you go.
Thanks. Wow, that's actually pretty good. Who made this?
Oh, it was my mom.
She makes great lemonade. I'm gonna be coming here back tomorrow.
Oh. Hi, Caroline. Oh, hi, Chloe. We're selling strawberry lemonade. It's 50 cents for half a cup, and a full cup is $1. Oh, wow. That's a lot of money. I'll be back. I'll go ask my mom. Okay. Okay, she said yes. Okay, I'll get you. Do you want half a cup or a full cup? I'll just take half a cup. Okay, here you go. Thanks. It's really good. Thanks. Have a nice day. You too. I'm coming back. You guys selling lemonade? What are you doing selling lemonade? Get out of here, Lizzie. Nobody wants you. Okay. Whatever. Anyways, do you want lemonade or something? No. Then why are you here? I'm just here to bully, but I'll try some, I guess. 50 cents. Oh. Just give me a... Hey! Hey, you just drank it. Ew, Ew, who wants to sell this? Lizzie, you're allergic to strawberries. Oh yeah, I forgot. Ah! It's kind of dark. We should probably go inside.
Hi kids, I was just coming back to check up on you.
Lizzie came up to us and she tried our lemonade without paying. And she said it was gross.
Oh, well, I hope you guys have a better day selling lemonade tomorrow. Yeah. Let me put you guys back to bed.